Hey everybody, and welcome back. I'm really happy to introduce a cool new product from WattCycle that we have been waiting for. This is the 280 amp hour mini with Bluetooth. This is 15 inches by 7.5 inches by 9.75 inches high, weighs 57 pounds. It's got a 200 amp BMS in it, low temperature charging protection. So rated at 280 amp hours, it'll pull around 300 or more. So you've got 3580 watt hours. List price is $529. I've got an exclusive 10% discount down below, takes this to $477. So why would you want Bluetooth in your battery? It seems to be a really weird thing, right? Well, it's actually got a lot of advantages. Number one, if you are going to buy a shunt, either a battery meter, either a Bluetooth or a one with a screen on it, they cost money. They're between $50 and $100, depending upon what brand you get. But then there's the installation piece. You've got to have extra wires to connect all that stuff. And so you end up with this big, kind of jumble of pieces that is kind of unnecessary. Also, so by moving the Bluetooth module into the battery, the cost is less because the price difference of the Bluetooth versus the non-Bluetooth is, 50, 60 some odd dollars. So you kind of net wash on the price of the shunt, but now you don't have all that extra wiring and assembly that you need. Also, by putting Bluetooth in the battery, you don't need to have Bluetooth in anything else, like the charge controller, for instance. I don't need to have Bluetooth in my solar charge controller if I have Bluetooth in my battery, because the power is all ending up here anyway. So I can save money on the wiring, I can save money on the shunt, and I can buy a lesser expensive solar charge controller and inverter that don't have Bluetooth because it's in here. So if you look at the sum total cost of your system, by putting the Bluetooth in here, you can reduce your overall system cost by $100, $200 or more and get the same functionality by having it here. Here's an example. This is my test inverter with a battery level meter. This is the inline shunt, and I've got to have these jumpers that go from the battery into here, out of here, up to the inverter, and then the power lead up and over to accomplish the same thing as what's built in here. So the cost is less and the extraneous wiring is less. All right, let's take a look at the app and see what it actually tells you. I got my tablet here. So the app is actually called WattCycle. So I get the home screen, and I actually have two of these batteries. I've got the 280 and then the 100 amp hour. So it's seeing them both. So I've already discovered it's listed by serial number, so you can go in and rename the batteries, which is really nice. So I click on the one that says 280 and hit confirm. And it shows here the temperature of the battery, which is really nice. We've got the current state of charge or discharge, which is nothing. The battery is almost at 98%. So I'm going to flip my charger on. And there we are at 48 amps or 665 watts. So very neat. So battery is almost at 98% charged. I'm really excited about this battery. It's just going to simplify all of my builds, particularly my mini builds where I just put an inverter on the top. I can have a battery level meter built into my phone, so I get to save the cost of a separate shunt or battery level meter. I can save the trouble of the additional wiring. It's all just built in here, and so I've just got it right at my fingertips without extra pieces kind of hanging off. So Really cool battery. This is actually currently my favorite battery, and this is the basis of my personal home emergency system, and they just made it better by putting Bluetooth in it. So it's at a great price right now, and my discount code down below makes it even better. So if you're starting new, you're looking to upgrade a system to something with more capacity and more features, take a look at the WattCycle 280 amp hour battery with low temp charging protection and see if this is the right fit for you. Thanks everybody. We'll catch you on the next one.